You are working with a fabric warehouse named Warehouse 1, containing a table named TaxiTrips. The table consists of the following columns: company, which is a Varchar 100 representing the taxi company name; passenger count, an integer representing the number of passengers; trip distance, a decimal 10-4 representing miles; pickup date, a date time 2 for the pickup time; and FareAmount, a decimal 10-4 for the trip cost. You need to write a T-SQL query that displays the top 3 taxi companies based on their total miles traveled.
Complete the T-SQL statement by choosing the right options for 3 blanks. Select blank from warehouse1.dbo.taxitrips blank, and finally blank DESC. The options provided are: A. Fetch next 3 rows only; B. Limit 3; C. Top 3; D. Group by company; E. Group by taxi company; F. Order by trip distance; G. Order by sum trip distance; and H. Order by trip distance DESC. To solve this, consider how to aggregate data by category and how to restrict the final output to a specific number of records.
In my view, the correct configuration involves selecting top 3 to limit the output, grouping the data by the company column, and ordering the results by the sum of trip distance. Using top 3 allows us to constrain the result set to the top 3 records requested. Grouping by the company column is essential because we are calculating an aggregate, the total distance, which requires us to consolidate individual rows belonging to each specific company name. The final order by clause must reference the sum of trip distance rather than the column name itself. This is because we are ranking companies based on their aggregate total, whereas ordering by the column alone would sort the individual trip records instead. Other options like fetch next are not the appropriate syntax for this request, and grouping by an incorrect column name or failing to use an aggregate function would result in inaccurate data or syntax errors.